Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will see how to make power supply for amplifier. This is the PCB. Here you have to connect center tap transformer. Select transformer according to your amplifier. This is fast blow fuse. Select fuse ampere value according to your transformer. You can use 25 ampere or 35 ampere metal diode. This is 10,000 microfarad 80 volt capacitor. You can also use this power supply for TDA2050 amplifier by replacing 4700 microfarad 50 volt capacitor. This are the power LED. Indicate that circuit are working. This is output terminal. Connect here amplifier according to polarity. This is how bottom side looks. If you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions then comments below. We will be back soon with another PCB board. Thanks for watching.